Hey guys, what's up? Spencer here. Now I'm going to be trying something a little different today. We have a big ham laying around in the freezer, fully cooked, and we weren't sure what to do with it, so I'm going to toss it in the smoker, just let it get good temp going, pull it out. We might shred it, we might cut it, who knows yet. But I'm not going to add any seasoning because ham's already salty, and we're going to do a glaze at the end, so we're just going to get some good smoke flavor in there, hopefully. Never double cooked a ham before, so not sure how this is going to go. Let's do 250. Little ginger ale spritz just to keep things moist. It just occurred to me that I had a white shirt on, so gotta go get that in the wash real quick. Red shirt, got an apron on, so should be much better this time. A couple hours low and slow, but I want to get good heat going now. Great crust is what I want. We've made it to temp. This is ready to get out of here. I'm gonna start a glaze for our ham. We got a little maple syrup and some water. A little brown sugar in there to finish this glaze. All coming together now. Right shirt for it. Let's try it. Moist, smoky, and sweet. I would do this again. 8 out of 10.